Okay, y'all, so I am putting on a new shower head, and the directions are in the box, and they say that I need to take off the old shower head, so I might need a wrench. So got my little wrench. It doesn't open wide enough, so it's a baby wrench. So had to call up my parents, see if my dad had a bigger wrench. He gave me this big wrench, so I'm excited to see what it does. Let's go. Okay, so I got the old one off. Yes, this is an energy efficient one. I'm going to a non-energy efficient one. I just need some more water, y'all, out of the shower head. It takes forever to rinse out your washcloth on a lather. So here it comes. Y'all, it worked. I'm so happy I did it by myself. I just needed my daddy's wrench. But yeah, it has a rain shower. And let me, we're gonna get a bunch of spool to try to change this. And you can do a combination of both. You have to see about that one. Maybe it's not all the way on. And then you can do just a hand shower. So, yay!